first day of my shoot, and it was 4 degrees in London. And because the heroine should look like really sexy and everything, Rohit was like, you're gonna wear sleeveless and you are in this top, and you know, this is your introduction. So I was like, I was very inspired by this whole idea of, you know, doing a full commercial heroine, full on like slow motion shot. And I was like, yes, I'll go in a sleeveless, it doesn't matter, I'm gonna do the shot. And we reached there and it was 4 degrees and I was in a sleeveless, in a like really thin top. And I just froze, So we did a shot in which I had no dialogues. And then we reached the dialogues and my tongue actually froze, so I couldn't say my dialogues. So Akshay was like, kya bol rahi hai? I can't understand what she's saying. What is she saying? So I was like, Rohit, I can't move my tongue. I'm frozen. So he's like, okay, no, give her a jacket. Yeah, this is not working because we can't do the scene. So I had to get into my jacket, and I'm so glad we did the whole long walk. There's this shot in which, you know, Akshay and I meet for the first time in the film, and then there's this long walk that we take and we're talking. So we did the whole thing with the jacket on because I was just mumbling otherwise.
Rohit, as a director, I think the fact that he's been an industry child, and I think having grown up watching so many films, so many of his father's films.
Okay guys, let's lock it up now.
He walks back, he says,
Mark, Jordy,
I somehow didn't feel like he was a first-time director. He knows exactly what he wants from his actors. He doesn't overshoot. He knows exactly what he wants performance-wise, in terms of shots, how many shots he needs, how he's going to edit the film. So in short, I guess he knows exactly what he wants.
got it.
You know, I think he has a great future.
He's so sure, and he likes to make his actors work within that framework that he has in mind. But I think, to be honest and in all fairness, when I saw the film during the dubbing, I thought he was so right in doing what he was doing. Because he knew exactly what the travel of every character is in the film, where they start and where they have to reach.
I love you!
I think that exactness completely reflects in the film when you see it.
Rohit is the next big thing, and it sounds very cliche, but he's 27 years old and he's so young, he's talented, and he's going to be big. He's going to be a big director, very big.
मैं समझ सकता हूँ क्योंकि ये इसकी पहली पिक्चर है, रहता है कि मैं अपने जो मैंने सोचा था मैं वैसा करना चाहता हूँ, एंड आई थिंक हम सब ने मिलके इनको जो चाहिए था सब ने चुपचाप करके, मतलब भले ही इनकी पहली फिल्म हो, हमने चुपचाप करके इनको दिया।
Action.
सर के बाइसेप्स को ज्यादा नहीं बढ़ गए?
क्लाइंट्स का डिमांड होगा।
ये कोर्ट रूम है, तुम्हारा लिविंग रूम नहीं। तुम कानून तोड़ रहे हो।
पुरानी आदत है योर ऑनर, वो तो बचपन से कर रहा हूँ।
Rohit is young and very talented, and whatever I've seen of Desi Boys, I'm really happy that his first film as a director is with Eros.
Background. Action.
एक माँ खुश होती है जब उसका बेटा एग्जाम में फर्स्ट आता है। एक बहन खुश होती है जब उसका भैया ऑफिस में प्रमोशन पाता है। एक बीवी खुश होती है जब उसका पति पैसे घर लाता है। लेकिन एक लड़की खुश होती है जब देसी बॉयज का लौंडा उसके दरवाजे पे खटखटाता है।
Damn it, I was an investment banker. I had a promising future. तेरी तरह शॉर्टकट एक्सपर्ट नहीं था। बस कर।
Got it. Okay.
I'm sure all the youngsters and family will enjoy watching Desi Boys as much as we enjoyed making this movie, Desi Boys.
इतना जरूर कह सकता हूँ कि ये फिल्म आप अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के साथ भी देख सकते हैं, आप अपने बच्चों के साथ देख सकते हैं।
It's a family.
भले ही मैं जानता हूँ आपका यही प्रश्न रहेगा कि मेल एस्कॉट हैं आप लोग, लेकिन मेल एस्कॉट भी हम किस किस्म के हैं वो आपको समझना है। हर आदमी काम कुछ, अगर जैसे कि मेल एस्कॉट का हो या फीमेल एस्कॉट का हो, काम करता है, तो आप अगर ध्यान से समझे कि उसके पीछे एक कारण होता है। वो कारण क्या होता है? वो उसकी ज़िंदगी में हो सकता है कि बच्चों की एजुकेशन के लिए, या हेल्थ केयर के लिए, अपने माँ बाप के लिए, या टेबल के ऊपर खाना लाने के लिए। ये सब बहुत सारे कारण होते हैं जो ज़िंदगी में लोग ये काम पे जुड़ जाते हैं। मैं फिर भी कहूँगा कि मेल एस्कॉर्ट बनना फिर भी ठीक है, क्योंकि कोई आदमी चोरी नहीं कर रहा, कोई टेररिज्म का साथ नहीं दे रहा। एंड ये बहुत ही इसमें इमोशंस बहुत हैं, क्योंकि इस फिल्म के अंदर हमारे साथ एक बच्चा भी रहता है। क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है, कैसे है, ये आप देखोगे तो आपकी समझ में आएगा कि बेसिकली ये फिल्म आप अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ, परिवार के साथ बैठ के आप देख सकते हैं। So guys, make some noise for the Desi Boys. 1, 2, 3, go!
Make some noise for the Desi Boys. 1,